Hello everyone, Koboye Saka Fets. It's your girl Jasmine here. Thank you so much for coming through to the channel today. I want to go back to the old ways of YouTube, the way that I fell in love with, and that is makeup. In today's video, I'm sharing how I created this really soft, subtle brown smoky eye. This is something that you wear for like every day. This is something that you can wear when you're going on a dinner date. Basically, any sort of occasion, you can rock this really sultry, smoky, subtle eye. I try to make this tutorial as simple as possible for you guys who aren't really knowledgeable in the makeup space. I got you. And this is something that is not too like out of the box. This is definitely something that you can rock, and it'll just give you that little extra sauce. If you are excited for this tutorial, then definitely give it a big thumbs up. And without further ado, let's get into it. I got a little closer to just give you a better view of how I'm going to do the eyes today, and I've already done my eyebrows, my foundation. I'm baking my contour a little bit because I got them chubby cheeks and I really want to chisel them out. The first thing I'm going to use is a concealer as a primer. I'm taking the Born This Way concealer in Chestnut. I'm applying it all over my lids. Right over here I have the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is in medium. I'm going to just set this all over my lids, and this is going to make it easier for the shadows to blend really nicely. So I really wanted to use one eyeshadow palette today, but this palette right here, which is the Smashbox palette in Petal Metal, it doesn't have a decent transition color for me to use, as you can see here. This one is the Minimalist eye palette. This is actually really nice. I think I might just want to use this one. I'm really not sure which one I want to use just yet, but I need a transition color, so I'm taking another Smashbox palette if I can open it. I want this color. Right, I don't know what it's called, sis. Oh, it's called Hit Reply. So I want to take this mauve color and apply it on the crease of my eye. Girl, you know what I'm talking about. Alright. Crease color is down pat. I'm actually gonna go in with the Minimalist palette. I love the warm browns in here. I'm going to take Cruise, which is this lighter color right here, and I'm applying that all over the lid. I want to keep this subtle. I used to be the type to want to wear bold colors all the time, but these days, girl, I just want to have a natural eye makeup look, you know? I'm just stopping the shadow before I get to the crease, and I put this 2/3 of the way on my eye. Next, I'm taking Hang, which is this dark brown color, and I'm going to apply it to the outer third of my eye and blend that in with the lid color. So I like to tap like that, and you see this eyeshadow is already pigmented, so I tap like that, right? And then I go a bit further till I hit the third, right? So I tap, and I try to create a little shape, a little soft triangle shape on the outer, you see? And then I just wipe like this, or I go back and forth with this brush to make it blend to the lid color. Okay, I take a little bit like this. Now these Smashbox shadows are already pigmented. I tap once and then I pat like that. You see? It's already coming through. And then I try to make a soft triangle, and I like to rest my pinky on my cheek like this, That way I can have a steady hand, and I just tap.
It's 11 o'clock.
Thank you. I go like that, wipe a little bit, windshield wipe a little bit, and then I bring this closer to the eye. I take maybe a little bit more of hang and I put it right there. I don't know this area, but it's right there. I actually want to go back in with this tapered blending brush, and I'm going to blend out this part. I'm not putting any shadows on this. I just want to do a windshield wiper motion to make sure it's nice and smooth, and also making sure that the brown is not so smoky. I'm going to do the same shadows on the lower lid, going back in with this color, and I'm applying that to the lower lid. And you always wanna apply shadows to the lower lid. It helps to balance out the eye look. It makes everything come full circle. Now I'm going to take the dark brown color, and I'm going actually only on the outer portion of the eye. And now I'm going to apply mascara. The mascara I'm using is the Deck of Scarlett Mascara. I absolutely love this. Are you seeing the difference? Because I can. Next, I'm going to apply lashes. That part is optional, but I just feel like lashes really lifts my eyes up and just makes it a bit more glamorous. So I'm going to apply my lashes, and then I will be right back. And we're back. You like? I'm going to take Vanilla, which is like a shimmery pale peach color. Girl, I don't know. And then I'm going to apply it to the inner corner with the smallest type of brush that I have. Right? Right? Yeah, it works. For lips, I am also keeping it nude. I'm taking my Iman Perfect Lip Pencil. This is in Black Silk. It's a bit dark, but we're gonna make it work. Next, I'm taking my 100% Pure Lippy in Cacti. I absolutely love this. Now, I want a bit of sparkle, so I'm taking the Becca lip gloss in, this is Beach Bum. Gonna put that on. Epi, that's it. Hopefully you guys found that useful, and hopefully it was comprehensive enough so that you could understand. If you want to see more videos like this, then please give me a big thumbs up, and also let me know what kinds of like eye makeup looks you want me to recreate, and I will get that to you as quickly as I possibly can. Also, make sure you're subscribed, because I'm pretty awesome and I try to make videos twice a week. Try being the operative word. Alright, I am signing out for today's video. I want to thank you all so much for watching and supporting and subscribing to my channel, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace.